thoughtful. Most people think saving $1,000 is difficult, but the real problem is not money. It is lack of focus and planning. And in 2026, if you are not prepared for emergencies, even a small unexpected expense can push you into debt, which is why building a $1,000 emergency fund should be your first financial priority. Chuckles. The good news is you can build this fund faster than you think if you follow a simple and focused approach. First, you need to create urgency and treat this like a short-term mission, not a long-term goal. Because when you give yourself a strict timeline, you automatically become more disciplined with your spending. Start by cutting unnecessary expenses like subscriptions, eating out, and impulse purchases, and redirect that money directly into your savings, because even small amounts can add up quickly when you stay consistent. But cutting expenses alone is not enough, so the next step is to increase your income by finding quick ways to earn extra money, whether it is freelancing, selling unused items, or doing small online gigs. Because in today's world, there are plenty of opportunities to make extra cash if you take action. Another powerful trick is to save your money first, not last, which means as soon as you receive any income, immediately move a portion of it into a separate account so you are not tempted to spend it. You can also set a daily or weekly saving target to stay motivated and track your progress. Because when you see your savings growing, it builds momentum and keeps you consistent. Most importantly, keep your emergency fund separate and only use it for real emergencies, not for shopping or entertainment, because the purpose of this fund is to protect you when things go wrong. Exhales sharply. At the end of the day, building a $1,000 emergency fund is not about earning more. It is about managing what you already have in a smarter way. And if you stay focused, disciplined, and consistent for a short period of time, you can achieve this goal faster than you expect and finally take control of your financial situation.